पर सर वहाँ जेसन यूज होता है ना? नो।
JSON is used for API के लिए यूज होता है। अबाउट
हम्म।
एंड अबाउट इसके लिए हमारे यूआई बनाने के लिए हम यूजुअली XML यूज करते हैं। जब हम Kotlin पे शिफ्ट होंगे तब हम Jetpack Compose यूज करेंगे। फिलहाल के लिए हम जो भी यूज करते हैं यूआई के लिए वो XML।
अच्छा।
ओके रॉकी सर, आई एम डन विद द इंटरव्यू।
Yes, Vishal.
यस सर, आई एम डन विद द इंटरव्यू।
Okay, have you assigned some kind of task?
नो सर, आई विल जस्ट सेंड इन द डॉक्यूमेंटेशन। पार्थ साथ ही मैं तुम्हें डॉक्यूमेंटेशन सेंड कर रहा हूँ।
ओके
एपीआई
सर।
का ही हमारे जो इस टाइम पे हम इंटीग्रेट करने की कोशिश कर रहे हैं। टेल मी, एक बार
ठीक।
चेक इसको, वो एक बार टेस्ट करके देखो एंड देन टेल मी क्या आ रहा है आउटपुट।
ठीक है।
ओके
और
सर।
विशाल, मैंने एक काम किया है। मैंने इसका वाक का नंबर आपको सेंड कर दिया व्हाट्सएप पे। ठीक है। तो
ओके
आप
श्योर श्योर।
इनको आप इनको अभी ही वो जो भी भेजना है वो भेज दो। ठीक है, वो अभी चेक कर लेगा। और अभी के अभी हमारे को इनको कुछ ना कुछ एक्टिविटी देनी है करने के लिए।
ओके सर।
ठीक है, स्टे इन अ मीटिंग, डू whatever you want to do, do it right now straight away. Fine.
ओके सर, आई एम जस्ट सेंडिंग इन द डॉक्यूमेंटेशन।
ओके। तब तक आप वाघ और विशाल तब तक आप मीटिंग में ही रहो जब तक आपको टास्क रिसीव नहीं होता है। तो नेक्स्ट हम आते हैं। कोई और है क्या? विशाल मेरा ही रॉकी विशाल। ओके, पार्थ की मीटिंग है। ठीक है, वाघ सॉरी। आप कर दो, आप असाइन कर दो।
हेलो पार्थ साथी,
यस सर।
मैंने तुम्हें अभी डॉक्यूमेंटेशन सेंड किया है। एक बार
हाँ
उसको एक बार गो थ्रू इट एंड इसके अंदर बॉडी के अंदर हमको तुम्हें वो डालना रहेगा, इनपुट डालना रहेगा। अ, जो मैंने इमेज भेजा है तुम्हें उसमें प्रॉपर्ली दिखाया भी कहाँ पे तुम्हें वो पुट करना है, इनपुट। सो चेक करो एंड लेट मी नो तुम्हें क्या डिटेल मिलता
So how many people have joined Rocky?
गुड
Vishal, you
मॉर्निंग
are.
अभी।
Hi. Good morning. Good morning.
Yeah.
Vishal and Parsarthi, two people have joined. Vishal,
No,
what's
sir.
your
No, sir.
what?
Vishal is our Android person, and right now Vishal has assigned some kind of work to Parsarthi. Not work exactly. It's some kind of documents. They are under discussion. So till now, only one person have joined, which is Parsarthi only.
Parsarthi. Okay. ठीक है, Parsarthi. So you want to become an Android developer?
Yes, sir.
Okay. So how much, Vishal, have you spoken to him? How much Android does he know?
Sir, about Android, he is trying to learn Kotlin. He has the basic knowledge of Java. Currently, I'm trying to test how much does he know about API.
Uh, uh, no, Vishal,
Yes,
see,
sir.
basic API training we can give to people in a day. They don't have to write an API. Okay. Using API is like knowing how to ask a question, right? Because you are
Yes,
saying, okay, this is the student ID, and this is the college ID, and this is PRN. Get me the information on the student. Okay. So you are
yes, sir.
calling the API. Your input parameter or college ID and PRN. Your output is 50 fields about the student. Okay. That's all what the APIs are for. Okay. Now
Actually, sir,
bolo.
he mentioned his strength in API. That's why I was trying to
No, I
get.
understand, but what I want to explain to him and to you also is it's like knowing how to ask a question. Okay.
Okay,
That I am this, I want this. Okay. I have this information, like the student ID is this, and I want to know what subject this student is studying. Okay. So first can be an API that says, okay, this is his school ID and this is his PRN, or this is his email address, or this is his phone number. Okay. And give me the information on where he lives, what is his phone number and all that stuff, or which year he is studying, which semester he is in, or which subjects he is studying, and who are the teachers who are teaching him. For each of these questions, there are different APIs. Okay. So, Parsarthi, by using it within a day, you will understand. And then there are return codes. How do we handle? When you
Okay, sir.
ask for something, the error can be that student is not registered. Maybe the college is not registered. Okay.
Yes, sir.
Uh, so maybe the database has not started, maybe the connectivity has gone. All these error codes that come in, you have to display those error codes to the customer and tell him what to do. In some cases, it can only be, call help desk. Some cases it can be try again. Some cases it can be that system is too busy and they won't get a fast response, so they have to wait. No, whatever those things are, that in this process you will learn. Now, you just like you are interested in Android, how many other Android people are there in your college?
Hello,
Yes.
Parsarthi.
Hello, sir. Yes, sir. Sir, there are huge people of Android developers in our college, but why? But I should know that why they not join this meeting.
I'm not able to understand you. What did you say?
सर मतलब ह्यूज पीपल है एंड्रॉइड डेवलपर्स बट मुझे ये नहीं
Oh,
पता चलता कि उन्होंने
नहीं
आज
नहीं, दैट
मीटिंग क्यों नहीं
डिफरेंट।
की।
नहीं, जो अगर ह्यूज लोग, सी क्या होता है, आई हैव बीन डीलिंग विद इंटर्न्स फॉर इयर्स नाउ। ओके।
ओके
Sometimes they are busy with some other activity. Okay.
यस सर
Sometimes they are not confident. They want to do this, but just like you think that API is something really big. Okay. whereas it's very simple thing, till you use something like, do you know ये जो chat GPT, have you ever used chat GPT?
Yes, sir. Yes, sir. I am regularly studying.
Okay, so what do you use chat GPT for?
Sir, for finding the notes of subject. Sometimes I do not understand questions, so I don't understand the question from ChatGPT. Sometimes I don't understand the code, so I use ChatGPT for simply.
Parsarthi, I want you to become a presenter and
Yes,
show
sir.
me one example of using ChatGPT. Okay. Now, those people who have not used ChatGPT are going to think that, oh, ये कोई बड़ी चीज है. Okay. Using AI is a big thing. That's how you are feeling about API. In fact, when Vishal had not learned about API, he also used to think that usko API सीखनी है. Now, when Aniket taught him API, now it's easy for him. Okay.
Yes, sir.
So, the point I'm trying to make is till you use something, it looks difficult. And that's what is happening Rocky also. कि Rocky ये जो आपकी इनके स्टूडेंट्स है वो कॉल पे आने को डर रहे हैं कि maybe I don't know enough. Okay. How can I talk and apply for internship? Okay.
Exactly.
So Parsarthi, we talked
Yes,
to
sir.
Karakarti sir, Mandar Karakarti sir, and your Bishwajit sir. Okay. And they will
Sir.
handle that. Okay. They will get category by category. They will get me Android people, iOS people, blockchain people, AIML people, um, data science people, .NET people, your WordPress people. So uh, uh, the best way to do it though is through friendly network. If you talk to your friends and then say, "Arey yaar, why don't you come and let's do Android project?" Okay. So at least 4-5 तो लोग मिल ही जाएंगे, right? And then Rocky and Vishal will create a learning environment for you guys. Okay. And within a week, you'll be ready. Okay.
Yes.
But sincerely करना है ऐसे, you need to find people who are ready to do it. Now, just to understand you a little better and to get you to talk, I want you to become a presenter and show me use of chat GPT. Now, Rocky, अभी आप सर से बात कर लो while I'm talking to Parsarthi, okay? कि भाई आज कोई आए नहीं, and those 12 people, Rocky, that have signed up, okay? Get them at least, uh, 2-3 people at a time on this call.
Right now, I will check it only.
What is that, Rocky? Rocky, why do you keep going on mute?
Making a call to sir. 1 second only.
What is that?
I said I am making a call to sir. Give me 1 second only.
Yeah, that's okay. Eh? But also, these 12 people have registered with us. Okay. Now, do you have anybody that can help you?
Yeah, Vishal is my friend. He will be able to help me in that.
Oh, no, Vishal Gupta is going to be on this call with me. Okay. Do you have anybody that can help in connecting to this intern?
I have. I will send these details to someone and they will make a call. Give me 1 second only. I'm sending the details to.
Okay, so those 12 people, you have to get them on this call. You can get them all at a time. You can get them 5 people at a time. Okay.
Yes, sir.
Now, Parsarthi, become a presenter. Rocky,
Yes,
have
sir.
you given permission to become a presenter?
Yes, sir.
Yes.
So Parsarthi, you become a presenter. Now, Vishal, आपकी जो टीम है एंड्रॉयड वाली, okay? I'm not getting any
Yes, sir.
reports from them. Okay. Ask them also to join here. Okay.
Okay, sir.
उन्होंने क्या किया है आपके एंड्रॉयड टीम में अभी और 2 लोग तो है ना
Yes, sir. Karishma and Yash.
ओके सो ask them to join here
Okay, sir.
No, Rocky,
जी सर.
if we have to try CJN, okay, for this, so what should happen? People should join here and then they should go to interview rooms.
Yeah.
Okay, not conduct the interview on this. Okay, so Parsati should go to interview room where Vishal is interviewing Android people. Right? That's how it should happen.
Yes.
The idea is to try CJN for internship. Okay,
Yes.
but that's not how we are doing. अभी ये हम जो कर रहे हैं पार्थसारथी कोई प्रॉब्लम है क्या आपको आर यू फ्रॉम हैव यू जॉइंड फॉर अ मोबाइल और ए पीसी
And then from mobile, sir.
okay Rocky now this is another thing you want to make clear to people that in order to make the most of it they should join from a PC okay or they can join from mobile but be ready with a PC so अगर उनको कोई डेमो करना है तो they can quickly log in from a PC and become a presenter okay the Parsarthi was active in yesterday's call also, and today also he has come on call, but he's taking 5 minutes to just become a presenter.
तो पार्थ साहब जी, आपके पास पीसी है अभी कि अभी लॉगिन कर पाओगे कि कर ही नहीं पाओगे?
Nee, but even if he cannot do, doesn't have PC, he can still become a presenter, no?
या फ्रॉम फोन ही क्या?
And I'm sure, Parsari, how do you search ChatGPT? On phone or on PC?
So when is meeting going to start?
Who is this now? Ishwar?
Yes, sir.
You
You
joined
should
just now?
Yes, I just joined.
Okay, meeting has started. Okay, we are waiting for right now. Parsarthi is presenting how he uses ChatGPT. Okay, so Parsarthi, uh, 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 just give me 1 minute before I let you start talking. Uh, so Ishwar, right, who joined just now?
Yes, sir.
Ishwar, introduce yourself. Have you and first thing is, have you registered on Startup World?
No, sir, I have not registered.
Okay. So you should register on Startup World if you want to become an intern. Now, right now, tell us what is your skill set?
Okay. Good afternoon, sir. My name is Ishwar Bhore, and I am currently pursuing my BTech in Artificial Intelligence and Data Science.
Okay.
So currently, I have done many projects in data analysis, and now I'm shifting towards machine learning. And now I'm learning and doing projects altogether in machine learning. I have also done internship in data analysis, and now I'm interested in machine learning. Thank you.
Okay. Now, first thing you understand is that this is not a training class. So you're not going to enroll for machine learning class. Okay. Internship is about implementing, using whatever you have done, okay, in
Yes, sir.
a real life project. You understand? So internship is about implementing something, is about using your knowledge, is not about a classroom training. Okay. Now that doesn't mean you will not learn, but the learning will be on your own. Okay, on the job training, OJT. Okay, that's what machine learning, if you are to do, you have to come to me and say, this is like you have studied AML. These are the tools that you know. Are there any tools that you know?
Yes, sir.
So tell us what are the things you know, what languages you know, what can you start working? I will give you an assignment. I will give you an assignment in machine learning. I will give you an assignment in every field in which you are interested. And this is applicable for all the interns. We will form teams, okay? And together then you people will deliver a project. You understand?
Yes, sir.
Okay. Now, right now, uh, uh, we are going to talk about ChatGPT for a little while because Parth Sarthi said he uses ChatGPT. We started talking about ChatGPT, saying, okay, till you use a tool, it looks complex. Okay. Now, what I will do is, knowing that you are interested in machine learning, right? So, Ishwar, first thing is give me your number. Put it in the chat.
Yes, sir. One.
Ishwar Bhore. Okay, Ishwar, where are you from? Are you from Pune?
Sir, I am currently in Pune, but I am from Wardha,
Oh, you're from
Maharashtra.
Wardha. Yeah, I know Wardha. You know,
Yes.
I'm from Nagpur. So
Oh,
we are practically neighbors, right?
Sir, I am
Otherwise,
from Yatmal, Pusat.
oh, Parasarthi, you're from Yavatmal. Okay, so great. So
Pusat, sir.
both of you give me your number. So Ishwar, tell me your number.
so 97
9730
30 77
77
59
59
09.
09. Okay. And Parthsarthi, give your number.
7887
7887
87
87
626651.
626651.
Yes.
Okay. Now, Parsati, you're going to work in Android, right?
Yes, sir.
Okay. Ishwar, what do you want to work in? What's your mother tongue?
So my
In-
mother tongue is Marathi, but
No,
I
no,
am also
in technology, what's your mother tongue?
okay. Sorry, it's Python, sir.
Python.
Yes.
Python. Okay.
So
So
actually,
in
I have completed my data structures in C++, and now I am using Python as my major language. I have used libraries like Pandas, NumPy, Matplotlib, and scikit-learn for machine learning. Means uh, and means yes. Thank you.
so I have a very interesting project, okay? And you can use AIML for that, okay?
Yes,
So
sir.
let me explain to you the project, okay? We have data of 1 million doctors in America, okay?
Yes, sir.
Healthcare workers. We have their name, their address, their phone number, their email address, okay? Now
Yes,
we
sir.
want to verify whether they are correct, whether they are good, okay? And then we want to send them a message and say, please confirm your phone number. Please confirm your email. This is the OTP, okay?
Yes, sir.
And if they confirm their email, then, you put a flag saying this number is confirmed, okay?
Yes, sir.
Now, this process of searching, we already have another intern who has done the Python coding, okay, for
Yes, sir.
doing this logic, but it needs to be properly implemented. Okay, now there is a difference between doing the basic coding that works where every time you have to go and run it, and creating a GUI interface where we can say, take this database and out of this database for this criteria, let's say state of New Jersey, all the cardiologists, let's verify their numbers today. Okay.
Yes,
So
sir.
how will we use AI for that? Now, that's the kind of project that I would want to give it to you. Okay. It's called physician data mining. Okay.
Yes, sir.
And this is a project for a US customer. Okay. And then we will keep adding on this project. If you want to become a team leader, and that's something I would recommend to everybody, but because once you become a team leader, you get the ability to talk, communicate, document, team building, and all these things helps in your finding a right job as well as moving ahead in the career. Okay. So do you want to work on this physician data mining?
Yes, sir.
Okay. So I will put you on this project. Okay. And if you, this is first responsibility. I sent this to Parsarthi also. Find me
Yes,
at
sir.
least 5 people in your friend circle who would like to work with you. Okay?
Okay,
Yes,
sir.
sir.
Okay.
All right, great. So Parsarthi,
Yes.
now you have not become a presenter, become a presenter and start showing about ChatGPT, what you know, okay, and how we can use, what kind of AI tools we can use. Now, your goal, Parsarthi, is to learn and become an Android developer, which Vishal will definitely guide you. Okay? Vishal, your other team member. Oh, Karishma has come. Karishma, कैसी हो?
Sir, Karishma and Yash both are joined.
यश यश कहाँ पर है?
Yash is
रजनी
in
जी,
the meeting. Yash, please say something.
यश मिश्रा, यश बोलिए, क्या कर रहे हो आजकल?
सर
What?
प्रोजेक्ट जो मिला था जो साइन किया था
Yes,
क्या क्या प्रोजेक्ट मिला था?
1 सेकंड
यश, give me your number again.
1 सेकंड 900
900
497
497
1238.
1238. अभी ये जो पार्थसारथी है, he is in your league. Okay, he's getting into Android. Okay, so connect to him so that you can guide him. Now, Parsarthi, ChatGPT का
Yes,
देखो.
sir.
Now, how do you use ChatGPT? Give me an example.
Wait a minute, sir.
What are you showing here? Shall I give you an
Now,
assignment? Shall I give you an assignment? I want to find out. There is a program called Jagruti Yatra. Okay, in India, Jagriti Yatra. Okay, so they are going to have that program. They take students from various colleges and go all over the country, all over India. In November, they are going to go, November of this year. Okay, and I want to join them. I want to find out how much does it cost to join them, and so on. Okay, so let's see what we can find out. This is for 2024. I don't want older program. This 2024 whatever program they are going to have.
sir, are you seeing?
Yeah. So I want to know how much will it cost me to join? Okay. What are the different costs in Jagruti Yatra? Now, and what I want to do is whatever we are doing here with the student internship, that is what I want to promote. I want to promote startups, right? So I want to evaluate this. Now, these are the kind of things for people, right? When and what is the timetable? Okay, this year's timetable.
सर वहाँ पर हमको ये सजेस्ट किया है कि अगर यात्रा को कॉस्ट वगैरह अपन को जानना है तो हमें उसके ऑफिशियल साइट को विजिट करना होगा.
अच्छा, तो
Yes, sir.
now what we want is we want to, let's say, create an AI module that will answer my question and give me a summary so that I don't have to go and do this. Okay, I don't have to go and search on their site if there are any other similar sites. Okay, if there,
Okay.
like, this is where mentors and students travel together. Okay, and you can do it with Google also. Okay,
Yes, sir.
so we want to create a market research software. Okay, there are enough tools available. How do we integrate and how do we?
Flutter.
Okay, but see, you are familiar with now. If I ask you, Pasati, to teach other students who have never used ChatGPT, okay, can you teach
Yes,
them
sir.
with
Yes, sir.
example?
Definitely, I will teach you.
Wonderful. So, Rocky
Yes, sir.
sir, use Parthsarthi to create training on ChatGPT. Okay. Now,
Okay.
Yash, what are you working on right now?
The XML files of CJM.
No, XML. That's fine. I'm glad that you're doing something in XML. But mainly Android coding. XML ke liye, we have this guy Vidyut, okay, who
Okay.
can't do Android coding, but he can do XML. So try to use XML and try to see if you can show me something. Have you created any Android page so far?
Yes, sir.
Is it working? Is your Android app working?
No, sir. I have created just the pages. Actually,
Uh,
that's the work I have assigned.
okay. Now, who is assigning you work? Vishal?
Yes, sir.
Okay. Vishal, let's talk after this meeting so that I can see some work done by these people. Has Karishma done any work? यश आपने जो भी किया है, can you show?
Yes, sir.
XML दिखा दो. Okay.
Okay, sir.
And Karishma, उसके बाद में आपकी बारी आएगी. So Parasarthi,
Okay,
now
sir.
I understand what you are capable of doing.
Yep.
और अभी ये देखो, so Vishal is a beginner like you. He is creating some Android code. Okay. So
Okay.
he has used XML to create the screen design. Okay. So this is a assessment test. So when you are going for a job, okay, and the employer says, before you come to me for interview, take assessments test so that I know कि आप कितने पानी में हो. Okay.
Yes, sir. Yes.
So that is the part that Yash is doing. Okay. So you are officially added to the Android team. Your team leader is Vishal. Teammates are Yash as well as Karishma. Okay.
Okay.
And they're all from you're all from Delhi, right, guys?
Mumbai,
No,
sir.
sir, I'm from Mumbai.
Oh,
Mumbai.
you are from Mumbai. And Vishal, where are you?
Mumbai, sir.
You guys are all Mumbai. I don't know why I thought that you are. So I will be in Mumbai probably sometime next month. Okay, I don't know the exact date because I think I'm coming to Pune via Singapore on the 10th of May. Okay, but I will come to Mumbai. We'll definitely meet. Okay.
Sure, sir. Definitely.
Karishma, are you ready to show anything that you have done?
Yes, sir, I worked on payment UI
Okay,
and
can you show that?
yes, sir.
Okay. Now, Rocky,
Yes, sir.
okay, आपने टीचर से बात की क्या? Did you speak to Vishwajit sir? Now, who else has joined from the college? Vivek, you are from VIT?
Yes, sir, I'm from VIIT.
So, VIT, okay. Now, Vivek, what's your skill set?
Sir, actually, I'm from a data scientist background. So,
You're from data
the
science.
yeah.
Uh, do you know data scraping? Like,
No,
how do you
currently,
see
sorry.
data science has data acquisition, data analysis, and data visualization, right?
Yeah,
Okay. So on data acquisition, do you know how to extract data? Rocky, are you there? I think Rocky is probably
hello.
talking to somebody else.
No, actually, we can collect the data from the data set by using some kind of tools like Power BI, etc. And also, we can extract the data from using the SQL too.
One minute. Okay, sorry about that. Yeah, can you repeat?
Hello.
Yeah.
Yes, sir. Was telling that we can extract data by using SQL.
Just a quick minute, Avi sir. Sorry to disturb.
Well,
I thought that I have sent some messages in the chat. I thought you may have seen. So I was on a call with sir only. After this meeting, we will discuss what sir has said.
okay.
They are going to be send some details to us tomorrow morning, and
Okay.
after that they will on. They said.
Yeah, no, they will do that. I just that whatever people, the 12 people that have registered, they should join.
Mhm.
Okay.
Yeah, we have called all of 12 today only. Four of them have not answered. One person answered, and that person has joined us.
No, you send your invitation to Piyush.
Piyush also? Okay, fine.
Okay.
Sending it. Okay.
So that he can join, because these are data science people, and Piyush just did a very successful data acquisition, getting almost 1 million or maybe more of US doctors and healthcare workers data. Karishma, whenever you are ready, become a presenter, okay? I am giving you time by
Okay, sir.
talking. Okay. Now, Vivek,
Okay,
give
sir.
me your number, please. Vivek,
Yes, sir.
give me your number.
98
98
60
60
38
38
95
95
92.
92. Okay. And so, what you want to work on data science? Is that what you want to do?
Yes, sir.
Okay. So, what work have you done?
So
No, correct.
basically,
Just 1 minute. Karishma is showing something. So, Karishma, you have done the XML for the screen
Uh,
that you are showing on the right side.
yes, sir.
Is that all you have done, or you have done anything more than that?
Sir, actually, I've done this much. This is how it's going to work. Card, UPI, and whatever we're going to select. And
Yeah, but
this is like a card and OTP.
for accepting payment,
Okay.
will you be showing any QR code that people will scan and come here?
सर ऐसा तो कुछ मैंने अभी तक किया नहीं है.
नहीं, ये विशाल, इसको क्या असाइनमेंट दिया था?
Sir, she was given the UI as well as the eBus API from Rakesh
हाँ,
sir.
Rakesh sir told me to do that, sir, but I don't know how to work on API, sir.
No. You don't have to write an API. There is nothing to work on it. If you know somebody, tell me what time it is today. That is what API is all about. It is asking a question. Okay? You are sending a parameter asking a question. Okay, you say that I have this student's Aadhaar card number. What is he studying? Okay, you will come to the college database of students. You will search him by whatever Aadhaar card number, phone number, email address, his college ID and PRN. Okay, and there is nothing more to learn than to say, this is the person, give me his details. Tell me what subjects he is studying. And the API will give you the answers. As long as you know what to ask and what answer to get, that's all you need to know. And then you will have a return code that says, was the call successful? Was it a failure? If student is not found, it was a failure, then you give error message saying, invalid student ID, please re-enter. Okay? So there is nothing more than that. But looks like there is a mistake or a fear or whatever in everybody's mind. So we will have a specific session on AI. Rocky, arrange that on not AI, on API.
API.
Okay. So we'll do that as early as tomorrow. Okay. But Karishma, progress थोड़ा
Yes, sir.
slow है. Let's catch up the speed. And
Okay, sir.
now, so Parsati will join now. Coming back to Vivek, what kind of programming have you done?
sir, so basically, I have used various data visualization tools, and now I'm currently using the machine learning models for my projects. So currently speaking, so I am working under a accident detection system. So I have training
Vivek, what's your last name?
Dabhade.
Ranade.
Dabhade.
How do you spell that?
Dabhade.
Nabhade. Okay. So Vivek, where are you from?
I'm from Aurangabad actually.
You're from Aurangabad. Oh, okay.
Yes.
All right. You are in which year?
Third year.
Now, for those who are I mean, I'm sure that all of you guys from VIT are living in Pune. If you can come to the office, you will get to meet Rocky sir, you'll get to meet Rakesh sir. Okay. And those who want to do internship from office are more than welcome to come there. X number of days in a week. Other days you can work from home. Okay. Now the idea here is to Vivek, understand you people. First thing is everybody from VIT that wants internship, please register on startupworld.in. Okay. Has anybody registered on startupworld.in? Please raise your hand. Anybody from VIT that has worked on register on startupworld.in? You were there on yesterday's meeting, right?
No, sir.
Right. You were not there on yesterday's meeting? Okay. Yesterday we talked about this. Rocky, put the URL for startupworld.in so that all these people who are here today should go and register there. Okay. Now there is another Yash Burude. Vivek, before I let you go, I will put you in data analysis for Smart Cookie. Okay. Smart Cookie is a rewards engine. We are launching it in 10,000 colleges in India. We have a partnership with AICTE, and all the students are required to give feedback on the teachers. It's called 360-degree feedback. So a lot of data will get created through that. We have a meeting with AICTE today at 7:30, and they want to start implementing it in all the 10,000 colleges. So a lot of data will come. So their data analysis and data visualization. So if you can show us what you have done, Vivek, in data analysis and data visualization, we'll get a feel for what you are doing. So please get ready to do that. Show us something that you have done. And then, guys, I'm going to call out names, or Rocky, you can do that. There are people who have not introduced themselves yet. Okay. So
Yes, sir.
get them on to talk. Let's collect their numbers. Let's collect what is it that they can do. Okay. So we'll assign them project. In the meantime, Vivek, you show what you have done. Okay. Who is the next one? Please raise your hand that wants to introduce and get a project.
Okay, so let's to avoid the confusion. First of all, we will like to understand how many people, only those people raise hand who are from VIT college. Everyone from that college, please raise your hands. Okay, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 5 people I was able to understand they are from to the VIT college. So let's talk. Ishwar, we done. Ketan. Ketan, can you please introduce yourself? Ketan, can you please introduce yourself? Ketan, final call for you. Can you please introduce yourself? Okay.
Bore, we are already done with you, so you do not have to raise a hand again.
Yes,
Prathamesh,
sir.
Parsarthi, we are done with you, so you do not have to raise your hand. Ketan, final call for you. Can you please introduce yourself? Okay. If you are fixing something, please fix it and let me know. Yash, can you please introduce yourself?
And guys, if your mic doesn't work, then use chat. Okay?
Good evening, sir. Myself Yash Brode. I am from third year and I am from computer department and I am interested in AI or machine learning.
Can you be a bit loud, please?
And Yash, also tell what you have done, what you know. Because like
Okay.
I'm saying, Rocky, make it clear to them, this is not registering for a class. This is not saying I'm interested in learning music. Teach me music. This is about saying I know tabla, I can play tabla. Okay? So what role you will do in a project? What work you can do? Okay, you need to prove. If you say you want to work in AI or data analysis, show me what you have done. Then I will know what work to assign you.
Okay, sir.
Okay? And Rocky,
So,
again and again emphasize that they have to register on Startup World. Okay? And then we'll put them into team, we'll put a team leader. Also, Rocky, ask them question, who wants to become a team leader? Who has ability to coordinate project management and so on. Okay? Go ahead, Rocky. So, Yash,
Yes,
give
sir.
me your phone number. Rocky, follow the method. Ask them for their phone number. Ask them for what they know. Okay, what they can show about the work that they have done. Okay, whether they want to do team lead. Okay, every person is encouraged to bring in his friends so that we have a good friendly team. Okay, Yash, your phone number, please.
92
92
84
84
70
70
14
14
02.
02. Okay, great. Go ahead, Rocky. You conduct.
Yes, sir.
Hello, Avinash sir, can you hear me?
हेलो हेलो यश मिश्रा, आपसे मैं स्टार्ट करना चाहूंगा। आप कॉल पे हैं? ठीक है। यश यश मिश्रा।
Rakesh, Yash Mishra is from Vishal's team. We talked to Yash, we talked to Karishma, we talked to Vishal. Okay. Now let's focus on the students from VIIT. Okay.
Yes, sir.
Now, Vivek, you are supposed to show something. You want to get work in data analysis. Piyush here is the guy that did the data acquisition of millions of healthcare records in UL. You want to do analysis of that. There are records on million people in India about, we have data on 10,000 colleges. We have data on 5 lakh students, 5 lakhs teacher. We have to do data analysis on that also. Okay. So, Vivek and Yash Borde, since both of you want to work in data analysis, tell me what you show me what you have done so I can give you appropriate work. Okay.
Hello.
Yes.
Yes, sir. I was telling that I currently don't have my laptop with me. But I can show you sometime later.
Yes, you can, Vivek, but remember this. It's like you are coming for getting admitted to a cricket team. Okay. You say, I kept my bat at home. Okay. Then I will come tomorrow with the bat and show you. Okay. You are wasting your opportunity, right? You came, should come prepared. And Rocky, this is what maybe you can say in your email, that come prepared like this. Okay.
Yes, sir.
So Vivek, you still have time while we are talking on this. Go arrange your laptop and show something. Okay. If you have anything on your mobile, become a presenter, show it from the mobile. What work have you done? Okay. So,
Okay, I'll search, sir.
And if you don't have a mobile, then at least talk and say, these are the things that I have done. So, if we, I will have Piyush talk about the work that he has done. And if you can do data analysis and data visualization on that data, that would be great. I already told you about this thing, our data that we have collected from AICT. Rocky, if you can get Komal on the call, then Komal can show the smart cookie data. Okay?
Hello, Avinash sir. Can I say something? Hello.
Yash Borde, do you have anything to show?
Yes, sir. I'm currently opening my laptop. Can you give me 1 minute?
Sure, sure. You take your time. In the meantime, Sarthak, please introduce yourself.
My name is Sarthak and I am from Artificial Intelligence and Data Science Department in
Sarthak,
VIIT College.
Sarthak, do me a favor. Give me your phone number.
Sir, yesterday also I give my phone number.
I
Email
understand, Sarthak. I'm sitting here in America. I'm asking you your phone number. Okay, can you repeat it? I didn't write everybody's phone numbers yesterday. I want to make sure that you guys get something out of this meeting. Okay. Now, I want to know who you are, what skills you have, what work you have done. Okay. So give me your number again. Sarthak, you are on mute. Are you ready to introduce yourself?
Yes, sir. I am just typing my phone number and email ID.
Just tell me on phone.
Sarthak, what is your name? Is it Kadam?
Parthasarthi.
Yes, sir. Sarthak Kadam.
Yes, sir.
Okay. What work you think I gave you? You have to learn Android, right? That's what you're going to do with Vishal. What is the confusion in learning Android?
Sir, my name is Sarthak and I am interested in CPP, also Python, data, machine learning and data analysis field. So also I done project like air quality index prediction and car price prediction. Also,
Are you ready to show something.
Yes, sir. 1 minute. I share screen. I share my screen.
Now, who is KG? Somebody with the name KG. Who is that?
So it's me, Ketan, Ketan Mishram.
Ketan Mishram. So now you can talk.
Yes, sir. So due to technical glitch, I was unable to actually unmute myself back then.
Okay.
So I will introduce myself now. So
Okay.
myself, Ketan.
Ketan, just 1 minute. I'm trying to Ketan Galaxy. Ketan, your number you have not put in the chat, right? So just give me your number verbally.
Yes, sir. Yeah, of course.
Good.
70
70
57
57
81
81
49
49
26.
26. Okay. Now, Ketan, just wait a minute because Sarthak was talking about Sarthak Kadam, right, Sarthak?
Yes, sir.
Okay. So go ahead, Sarthak. So in Python, have you done any front-end work for Python?
Sir, I done some analysis of uh, employment, such type of project.
Okay. So, Sarthak, I will give you, since you know Python, there are two projects that I can give you. Okay. One
Okay.
is on Alexa. Okay. Do you know what is Alexa?
Yeah.
Okay. So we want some people to do Python coding on creating a healthcare project called Alexa and Grandma. Okay.
Okay.
So the device can ask questions to grandma and grandma can ask questions. Like grandma can say, did I take my medicine? Okay.
Okay.
And how that device will keep track of what medicine grandma has to take, what she has taken, what is still pending. If it is morning, the morning medication. If it is night, night medication. So do you want to work on this Alexa project? And then, of course, doing data analysis of the data that gets collected. Do you want to do that?
Yes, I can
Okay.
do.
So, Sarthak, you have put in that team the company name is Pan Health, PANHEALTH. Okay. There are 3 people working on that right now. 2 of them are in our Pune office. One is a designer, other one is an embedded developer. Okay. And I am adding you as an Alexa developer there. Do go to the office and meet these people, and then we will discuss further. Okay.
Okay, sir. Thank you. Sir, when I meet that people?
You can do it tomorrow if you want. These people are
Okay, sir.
already working in Pune office. Okay. Coordinate with Rakesh sir. Okay.
Okay.
But you have to register on Startup World. Okay.
Sir, yesterday I register on Startup World.
Yes, wonderful. Then you will get, and write down, Rocky, get this guy on call from Pan Health team, from Smart Pillbox team. Who is that? Mukesh. Get Mukesh also on call. Rocky, are you there?
I said fine, sir. I'm just asking them to join.
Okay, wonderful. Okay, now I will come back to Ketan. So Ketan, go ahead. Tell us about yourself.
Yes, sir. So good evening from India. So introducing myself, Ketan Mishram. I am a third year BTech student in Electronics and Communication from Vishwakarma Institute of Information Technology, Pune. I was talking about my technical background. I have I was a participant of Baha SA India competition, where we actually manufacture eATV, electric ATV, So I have worked in the electrical domain where I have actually manufactured lithium-ion battery from scratch. We
Oh,
have the Yes, sir. We have actually manufactured lithium-ion battery, which actually which was based on nickel, manganese, cobalt chemical
mm,
chemistry of the cells. And there, after after the battery manufacturing, we have also dealt with the PMSM motor and battery BMS. This
mm,
was in the I was there in the club for 2 years.
mm,
This was my experience of the first year,
mm,
where we actually I have also dealt with the circuitry regarding the startup sequence of the vehicle,
mm,
where I have actually implemented PCB layouts and PCB manufacturing of SCR and IC555 based circuits
mm,
in the first year. After the in the second year, when I was in the third year, this recent year, I was a data acquisition head there, where I
mm,
have actually implemented a data acquisition system based on ESP8266 microcontroller.
mm,
On Based on that system, I have actually integrated various sensors like DS18B20 sensor for the temperature, for monitoring
mm,
temperature of the motor, the uh, orange and rotary encoder for RPM monitoring of the for the motor and the gear shaft. While I
mm,
have also implemented a CAN protocol, which was actually required to actually the RPM was required to be displayed on the driver's display. So I
mm,
have implemented the CAN protocol to actually transfer that RPM and the
mm,
temperature readings. These temperature and RPM readings were simultaneously given at the cloud. Were sent at the cloud. The cloud
mm,
actually I used was Google Firebase.
mm,
So using Google Firebase, we can actually remotely access the RPM of the live RPM and temperature readings of the vehicle from
mm,
anywhere in the world.
mm,
The second thing which I did was I actually communicated with the battery management system of the battery, which we
mm,
manufactured. So
mm,
the BMS was of Delhi company, which is actually famous for the outsourcing of BMS. So we actually outsourced the BMS for external Delhi company.
mm,
So I actually integrated the CAN communication with the BMS, where I have actually extracted the
mm,
SOC voltage and different characteristics from the battery, and I have displayed on the driver's display using same Firebase principle. The battery data was sent to the Firebase, and another ESP at the receiver side actually extracted the data from the Firebase and displayed on the OLED. So this was my overall experience in the technical experience in the Vishwa Races Baha. So this was about my technical background, and I am
So,
actually interested in embedded. I have worked on 8051 in our
okay. So Ketan, very impressed with your background and
is-
your enthusiasm. Okay, I love people who talk enthusiastically, and you must have loved what you did, and I love that also about you. So there are two, three very interesting projects that I have in embedded. Okay, and I'm going to give you some overview of all these two, three projects. Okay. Has Mukesh joined, Rocky?
I have told him to join and he will join when Purva is going to be joined.
Okay.
Mukesh has
Uh,
not joined.
okay.
Joining one
So
second.
Mukesh is working on Smart Pill Box, embedded version of that. Okay.
Sorry, sir. Would you please repeat? Actually, I was interrupted with the connection.
No, Mukesh is working on Smart Pill Box. It's a product where sensors will be used to keep track of whether the person is taking his medication. Okay. And if he's taking what to do, if he doesn't take what to do, that all logic is built on the back end on a cloud disease management program called Pan Health. And Smart Pillbox is one of the devices. And there are various versions of that. And we will talk about if you can add value to that. It's an embedded project. Okay. On
Yes, sir.
8051, we have done some work on that. There are lot of other platforms we have used, we want to integrate that with Alexa also. So, whether we use like Raspberry Pi or something like that and put Alexa in that, or whether we take a actual product from Amazon, there are a lot of devices with embedded Alexa, so we can take those and incorporate those devices in our product. But that's one project. Second project is a electric bullock cart. Okay. Now that's very much in line with the work that you have done in electric vehicle. Okay.
Yes, sir.
So if you are interested in that, then we'll talk about that. And third one is about creating a massager with AI built into it. Okay. So these are the 3 projects that I think. So I would want you to think about it and tell me which one would you like. All right. But welcome
Yes,
to the
sir.
team. And I would love to have you visit our office, meet Mukesh, and we will talk further tomorrow or day after, and finalize how to go about your project. Okay. Who else? Who is the next one? Sarthak is done. Ketan is done. Who else is pending? See, people whom you have come, who have not introduced yourself, please unmute and talk. So,
Sir, Purva have joined the call.
Purva has joined the call. Okay.
Yeah.
So, Purva is a designer, product designer for this smart pillbox that we talked about. We will get other design people also. Your college doesn't have design, does it, Ketan?
Yes, sir. Yes, the CAD module
Your-
was produced by our mechanical students only for the vehicle.
Oh, so you guys know CATIA?
Sir,
Which software do you use for design?
sir, Dassault System SolidWorks.
SolidWorks. Okay. All right. Good. So, you can talk about the design part with Purva, and Purva connect Ketan to Mukesh because he's an embedded guy. So, Rocky, go to the next person who is, I think Mayur has not introduced himself yet.
Yes, sir. Mayur, can you introduce yourself?
If not, go to the next one. Anushka, you
Hello,
are
sir.
there? Yes, who is there?
I'm Sanket.
Sanket, go ahead.
I'm Sanket Fuljale, and I'm from AIDS branch in VIIT College. So I have both technical and designer background.
1 minute. Rocky, in order to save my energy, ask the basic question. Get his phone number, because that way it will get documented in at least I'm writing in my notebook, okay? Because this,
Yes, sir.
even though putting it in chat, that helps you and you should do that. But let them tell their phone number, let them tell what they have done, okay? Like Ketan's introduction was very good. He talked enthusiastically about what he has done. So I got a feel for what kind of role he can play. Now, Ketan, just coming back to you for 1 minute, uh, I'm sure there are other team members that have worked with you who can be part of
Yes,
any
sir.
of the projects. Okay, so
So
please,
there are 30 people who actually participated in the team.
Wonderful. So we will talk. I would have a separate meeting just on embedded side, okay? And we'll talk about what are the various different projects that I have in mind and what we can do. All right. Now, especially you guys creating a battery is very impressive. Okay. So there are a lot of cool new products that uh, I have designed and would love to talk to you people. But Sanket, please continue. Give me your number.
So 9356
No.
44
9356
44
uh,
6546.
6546. Okay. Go ahead. Now introduce yourself.
So, as I've told, my name is Sanket Fulchare and I'm from Artificial Intelligence branch in Vishwakarma Institute of Information Technology.
Who is your
So, I
teacher?
was telling about.
Who is your
Huh?
AI teacher? Who is the AI teacher?
Vivek Patil, sir.
Who is that?
Vivek Patil, sir.
Vivek Patil. Okay. Go ahead.
So I was telling about my background in in design as well as in a technical background. So as in design, I have I have a knowledge about the modeling, animation, and 3D modeling, rigging, and handling 3D modeling software, designer software, and in I have a knowledge in game development. So I have worked with the unit many game engines. Just like I have started with Python I have used Pygame as a library to create small games, and coming after that, I have learned Unity. That is a game engine that I've used for creating 2D as well as 3D game development. And currently, I am learning Unreal Engine for creating more advanced graphics based games. And I have knowledge about data, and I know uh, three languages mainly. C++ that I have learned data structure using C++, and I've learned Python just by creating games. Just I have told that I've used Pygame as a library, so I have learned Python from there, and currently using Unity. I have learned C sharp. So using Unity scripting API, I've learned C sharp as a language. So and in Python I know, and using Python I know as a data analysis and some visualization. I've used in visualization tools just a Tableau and Power BI. And in I have a brief knowledge about machine learning, and currently learning about machine learning.
Sanket, again, very
Yes, sir.
excellent background. Uh, I would want to know whether you would love to develop more on the gaming side or more on the product side.
I have learned. I used to work in backend. My designer part, I have a designer knowledge, but not that in.
No, but do you love, how much do you love gaming?
Yeah, I've loved gaming more than the ML part.
Why don't we put you in the gaming development team? Okay.
Yes.
Right now there are only 2 people in the game development team, actually 3. Okay.
Okay. Yeah.
And let's try that. Let's see if that is interesting enough for you to continue in that. I believe, I mean, gaming is bigger than Bollywood
Yeah.
and Hollywood combined,
Yes.
right?
Yes. Yes. Yes.
So there is a lot that can be done in gaming. Okay.
Gaming industry. Yeah.
Yeah, gaming industry. So I would love to create a team of 50 people that
Yeah.
are story writers for the games, animators for the game,
Yeah.
music for the
Yeah. Yeah.
game, creating characters for the game, design, and then of course coding and testing. And
Yeah.
one very new concept that we want to introduce is giving rewards to people for playing games. Okay? So it's not about the rewards in the gaming world, in the cyber world. It's rewards in the real world. How to connect real world to the gaming world. Okay? And their project name is called Cyber Tunnel. Okay?
Okay.
So I would want to put you into Cyber Tunnel. Okay?
Yeah.
And we'll discuss in details further. So thank you for introducing yourself.
Yeah.
Who is the
Thank you,
next
sir.
one? Next one.
Hello, sir. Myself, Prachi. I am from IT. Currently studying in IT in third year.
Prachi
And
Lakhe. 1 minute,
yes, sir.
Prachi. Let me write your name in my diary. Prachi Lakhe. Your first name and last name is combined in your name as it props up there. So I couldn't understand that, Prachi Lakhe. I thought
Yeah.
there was one name. Anyway, Prachi, so give me your phone number.
72198
72198
41
41
981.
981. Okay. Now introduce yourself, Prachi.
Yeah, so I am currently studying in third year in IT. I have studied many languages like Java, JavaScript, Python, AI, ML. I have experience in these languages. Also, I basically want to work in AI, ML, or front-end development and back-end development. I did projects for in the college in second year and also in third year. First one was chatbot for college. Basically, in that I did take the TPO information which was from previous years, and I combined the data set of that, and we've made the portal through which any student, if they want to ask any information about TPO, then they can just type in the
Prachi,
a question.
can you show what you have done?
Actually, sir, my laptop is not working right now, so like we have made the project for third year. Hello.
Yeah. So Prachi,
Yeah.
now chatbot, that's a good thing. We can create really customized chatbot that for whatever thing that we are doing.
Yeah.
Especially, there are two very important projects that we are doing for AICTE, which will be implemented in 10,000 colleges. One is called Rewards Engine. Okay.
Yeah.
So in Rewards Engine, I want to use AI. So
Okay.
my idea is that every student should be given reward every day for doing whatever cool that they are doing.
Okay.
And it is not about examining people and ranking them and calling top 10 people as the merit students and giving them rewards. It's about giving pat on the back for every person.
Okay.
Now, that only AI can do. It
Yeah.
can be by measuring social footprint of a person to see what the person is doing and giving him reward. Okay?
Yeah.
That's one part of the project, and that is to be integrated with Smart Cookie. So I would put you on that. And for
Yeah.
the Smart Cookie, we have a website that is being used by 10,000 colleges. So we want to provide a chatbot. We have a help desk, okay? But
Yeah.
we want to put a chatbot. We have tried to integrate some ready-made chatbot, but if we can create our own, that will be even better. Okay?
Yeah. Yes.
So, is that a project that you would like to work on?
Yeah, sir. I would like to.
Okay, that's our Smart Cookie Rewards Engine is your project name. Okay,
Okay.
and the objective is to integrate AI with that. Okay,
Okay, sir.
so guys, hang on 1 minute. I got a call, so I have to take care of the call. In the meantime, those who can make presentations, get ready with their presentations. I'll come back in a couple of minutes. Rocky, you continue.
Okay, so team, what I am going to do, just to understand more, I would like to have a talk regarding your timings
and I'm gonna to share one link in the chat box. It's a registration link for Smart Key. I'm sending that to you in the chat box. Give me 1 second. Yeah, I've shared your registration link. And now if you there will be one column where they will ask you put the ID. That is your college AICTE ID. Some of you know and some of you don't know. Fine. So I am going to send you one message in the chat box which will help you in understanding what is your college ID. तो दिस इज योर कॉलेज आईडी. लाइक जब आप लोग फॉर्म फिलअप कर रहे हो वहां पे एक कॉलम आएगा कॉलेज आईडी. तो आप ये आईडी भर सकते हो. ठीक है. अगर आपको ऐसे नहीं करना तो वहां पे आप कॉलेज को भी सर्च कर सकते हो. बट दिस इज योर कॉलेज आईडी. पॉइंट नंबर 1. पॉइंट नंबर 2, जो भी हमारे कॉलेज से ज्वाइन किए हैं बच्चे वो अपना हाथ रेज कर लो एक बार. बीआईटी से जितने भी लोगों ने ज्वाइन किया है ना वो अपना हाथ रेज कर लो. बाकी जो मेरी इंटरनल टीम है वो मत करो ताकि ना मुझे आसानी हो बात करने में. ठीक है. 7 लोगों ने किया है. ओके. सो मुझे बताओ, मैंने स्टार्टअप वर्ल्ड का लिंक आप लोगों के साथ शेयर किया. आप प्लीज वहां पे रजिस्ट्रेशन कर लेना पहले तो. अब उससे क्या होगा, हमारे पास आपकी डिटेल्स होंगी, आपके ऑफर लेटर वहीं से जनरेट होते हैं. तो दैट विल हेल्प यू. ठीक है. पॉइंट नंबर 2, आप लोगों का अभी सिनेरियो कैसा चल रहा है? आप कॉलेज जा रहे हो, आपकी लीव्स है, आप घर से काम कर रहे हो, आपका भी पैटर्न कैसा चल रहा है मैं जानना चाहता हूँ. कोई एक अपने बारे में थोड़ा बताएगा कि कितने बजे कॉलेज होता है, फिर कॉलेज से कितने बजे छूटते हो, फिर आपका इंटर्नशिप करने का प्लानिंग कैसा है, वो आप कैसे सोच रहे हो?
हेलो सर.
हम्म.
तो वो स्टार्टअप वर्ल्ड में मीन्स जो फॉर्म फिल कर रहा था तो वर्क कैटेगरी में तो डेटा साइंस सिलेक्ट कर लिया, लेकिन वर्क टाइप में वहां पे मीन्स 4 ही ऑप्शन आ रहे हैं: सोशल मार्केटिंग, मार्केटिंग रिसर्च, एग्रो मार्केटिंग एंड एग्रो डिजिटल मार्केटिंग. सो व्हाट शुड आई सिलेक्ट सर?
देखो, आप उसमें कुछ भी सिलेक्ट कर सकते हो, वो कोई प्रॉब्लम नहीं है. बाद में फिर हम जब आपसे इंटरव्यू लेते हैं, आपसे डिस्कस करते हैं, तो हम वहां पे वो ठीक कर देते हैं. ठीक है. आपकी क्या क्या चीजें सही होनी चाहिए? आपका नाम उस पर सही होना चाहिए, आपका ईमेल आईडी उस पर सही होना चाहिए, आपका नाम, ईमेल आईडी, मोबाइल नंबर, कॉलेज की डिटेल्स, आपकी टीपीओ की डिटेल्स अगर वहां पे मांग रहे हैं, ये आपको सही से भरना है. ठीक है. उसके बाद जब हम
यस.
आपका इंटरव्यू ना तो हम वो कर सकते हैं. कभी कुछ स्पेलिंग मिस्टेक हो जाता है, कुछ हो जाता है, तो हम उसको बैकएंड से ठीक कर देते हैं. ठीक है.
यस सर.
अब आई वुड लाइक टू अंडरस्टैंड आंसर कि आपका अभी कॉलेज कैसे चल रहा है, आपका डे कैसे जाता है, सो दैट
So,
आई कैन.
can I talk?
प्लीज गो अहेड, एनीवन.
हाँ सर, अभी ना हमारा थर्ड ईयर का लास्ट सेमिस्टर 19-20 मई को खत्म हो रहा है. उसके बाद हमें इंटर्नशिप करनी है या फिर घर से कॉलेज करना है, ऑनलाइन कॉलेज करना है. ऑनलाइन क्लासेस होंगी तब तब हम तो पूरा फ्री है. और अभी वर्क, अभी 1 महीने तक कॉलेज है ऐसा. मतलब कॉलेज जाना है अभी 1 महीने तक.
कौन सा महीना है ये जो अभी कल 19 कल आएगी? 16, 17, 18, 19 ये वाली बात कर रहे हो क्या? नेक्स्ट
हाँ
महीने
सर,
की बात?
अगले 20 तक कॉलेज जाना है ऐसे.
तो ये 20 जो आने वाली 20 है, करेक्ट?
और 20 में
20 में?
यस राइट.
ओके. सो आपका कहना ये है कि 20 तक आप लोग बिजी हो, उसके बाद आपका कॉलेज फ्री हो जाएगा, उसके बाद आप लोग सबको ज्वाइन करोगे. चलो, मुझे ये डेट समझ में आ गई. नेक्स्ट मेरे को बताओ कि हमारी जो इंटर्नशिप है, आप उसमें कितने टाइम तक अवेलेबल हो? मींस आर यू अवेलेबल फॉर 6 मंथ्स ऑफ इंटर्नशिप?
यस सर.
ओके.
How many hours in a day you can work with us?
सर हमने कॉलेज में इंटर्नशिप मॉड्यूल सिलेक्ट किया तो दिन भर, और एकेडमिक किया तो भी ऑनलाइन ही होता है, तो कॉलेज के हिसाब से हम फ्री होंगे.
So we will discuss with your college. Fine.
Right.
Do you know that our internship is unpaid? Okay. आपको पता है क्या हमारी इंटर्नशिप अनपेड है, हम उसमें कोई स्टाइपेंड नहीं दे रहे.
हाँ, अभी अभी पता चला. वैसे कुछ नहीं,
अभी
कल भी पता था मुझे लगता है.
ओके. अब बाकियों को, बाकी बच्चों को
Yes, sir, we already know that.
ऑलरेडी नो. ठीक है. अभी जैसे कि मैं देख रहा हूँ 6 लोगों ने अपना हाथ खड़ा किया है, तो मैं जानना चाहता हूँ कि 6 लोगों में से ऐसा कौन है जिसके साथ हमारी बात नहीं हुई है अभी तक.
Yes,
मयूर,
sir, it's my Princess Madam.
मैं 1 by 1 नाम लेता हूँ ताकि मेरे नोट भी क्लियर हो जाए. एक मिनट. सबसे पहले मयूर. मयूर, आपसे बात हो गई है?
नो सर.
आप एक मिनट, आप एक मिनट ऐसे ही रहो मयूर. ठीक है. दूसरा है हमारे पास केतन. केतन, आपसे बात हो गई है?
Yes, sir. Yes, sir.
तो किसका पास दिया था आपको?
Sir, regarding embedded.
सॉरी.
Sir, regarding embedded.
ओके. आपने मुकेश से कांटेक्ट किया गया?
Yes, sir.
क्या बोला मुकेश ने?
Sir, he said actually contacted me yesterday, not now. I will contact him.
You have not contacted, correct?
Yes, sir.
तो मुकेश अभी मीटिंग में नहीं है, आप उसको सेपरेटली कॉल करके डिस्कस कर सकते हो. ठीक है.
Yes, sir. Yeah, आपको.
बट प्लीज आप कोऑर्डिनेट करो, क्योंकि मुकेश इज वेरी बिजी पर्सन. आपको कॉल करना पड़ेगा और मुकेश से कांटेक्ट करना पड़ेगा. एक बारी जब यू बोथ आर इन द सेम लाइन, देन यू कैन वर्क सेपरेटली, बट फॉर इनिशियली डेज यू बोथ हैव टू वर्क टुगेदर. ठीक है. अनुष्का, आपसे बात हो गई है?
नो सर.
आप कॉलेज से ही हो? ओके. अनुष्का से बात नहीं हुई है. नेक्स्ट है हमारा सार्थक. आपसे बात हो गई है?
यस सर, बात हो गई है.
क्या पास दिया था आपको?
एलेक्सा डेवलपर.
सॉरी?
एलेक्सा डेवलपर का टास्क.
एलेक्सा?
या.
किससे कोऑर्डिनेट करने को बोला था आपको?
अभी मुझे याद नहीं, पर सर आपको बोला था सर कि आपसे पूछूं मैं ऐसा.
मतलब मेरे से क्या पूछने को बोला?
नहीं, आपसे कांटेक्ट करने के लिए बोला था सर.
ठीक है, तो मेरा नंबर लिख लो.
हाँ, आपका नंबर मेल पे है मुझे लगता है, कल रजिस्टर किया था ना तब. कल मैंने फोटो किया था आपका नंबर.
Give me a second. मेरा नंबर तुम्हारे पास है, तो मेरे को व्हाट्सएप पे मैसेज कर देना, मैं भी सेव कर लूंगा और मैं आगे फिर बात करूंगा. ठीक है.
ओके सर.
तेजस, आपसे बात हो चुकी है क्या?
नहीं सर.
तेजस से भी बात नहीं हुई है. ओके. सो फर्स्ट मैं मयूर से स्टार्ट करता हूँ. मयूर से भी बात नहीं हुई है. मयूर, कैन यू प्लीज गिव मी योर इंट्रोडक्शन?
Yes, sir. So, myself, Mayur Nimkande, I am currently studying
थोड़ा
in
जोर
third
से
year.
बोलो, थोड़ा जोर से बोलो.
Hello?
Rocky, 1 minute. Rocky, 1 minute. So I was on another call in the meantime, so I missed some people. Can you give me the names of the people and their
मयूर
number
मयूर
you
हाँ
talked
सर,
to?
मयूर मयूर से बात नहीं हुई है हमारी, अनुष्का से बात नहीं हुई है हमारी, और
नहीं
तेजस
नहीं,
से बात नहीं हुई है भैया.
किससे हुई है बताओ. The one that I missed. The last person I talked to was Prachi. After
Yes, sir.
Prachi, after that, whom did you talk to?
सर मैंने मयूर से बात की.
मयूर से.
हाँ.
Okay. So Mayur, वो,
Yes, sir.
Nimkande, right?
Yes, sir.
Okay, Nimkande. So Mayur का number क्या है?
Sir, I have texted it in the text box.
Oh, wait a minute. Yeah, I got that.
Yeah.
7051814926, right?
8729039586. So I will be repeating the number. That's
No,
87
87
290
290
39586.
39586. And what is
Yeah.
your area of interest?
So my area of interest is means Flutter application and as well as
Okay.
Google Cloud development too.
Okay. So, Rocky, definitely we'll put him in the. Mayur, I'm going to put you into a iOS team, okay? Even though it's Flutter, okay? I do want to polish up my iOS apps. Now, I believe that you have a Mac lab, okay? So we want to get some guys who are interested in iOS development, and whether they do in native iOS or they do it in Flutter. But I would want you to coordinate that project for us. Okay? We'll come back, we'll talk separately, but right now, Rocky, have you given him any project?
No, sir.
Okay. So, Mayur, right now, in Flutter, iOS projects on this smart cookie as well as on continuous job networking. Both the projects, especially continuous job networking, creating a video platform for recruitment. That is the goal. But we will have more detailed meeting tomorrow on that. तो मयूर हो गया और आके और कौन था?
मयूर है, और इसका मेरे को समझ नहीं आया. इसने बोला मेरे से बात करनी है, इसको सार्थक है ना, हाँ सार्थक ने बोला कुछ एंड्रॉइड, सॉरी एलेक्सा डेवलपमेंट में कुछ, तो उसको समझ नहीं आया क्या करना है.
उसको
सार्थक.
सार्थक नहीं देखो सार्थक, I will explain to you that whole project. It is a communication between a patient and the device to keep track of what medicines that the person is taking, when that person is taking the medication, has the person taken the medication, how will we know whether somebody has taken the medication? Either the person talks to the device and say, I am taking this medicine, I am taking this medicine. Or Alexa will call and ask question. Grandma, did you take this medicine? No, this will be done in multiple languages. Now, if the answer is yes, then now you know the record of what medicine the person has taken. So now the person can ask question, did I take my medicine? And the device can answer. Okay. So whatever we are going to do on PanHealth, and I already said, Sarthak, that this we have a team, Purva and Mukesh, and they will teach you about that. Okay. So detailed discussion on the specific project, Rocky, we will do later. Okay. Project by project, we'll do that discussion. Right now, since there are a lot of people, we want to allocate them to projects, and then we can have project by project discussions today or tomorrow. Okay. Now, who else other than Mayur, Rocky did you talk to? Rocky.
Sir Anushka, but we have to close this meeting within 2 minutes only because another TPO meeting is going to be arranged at 6.
Oh,
6:10.
okay,
We
guys.
have 10 minutes. 6:10.
We
We
had a
have 10
wonderful,
minutes.
we have a wonderful meeting for 2 hours. But let me quickly wrap up. Make sure that everybody gets justice to their presence. So,
Sir, we have 10 minutes. We have 10 minutes. We can do it. So
Okay.
remaining persons are till 10. Anushka, we have not talked, and this Tejas we have not talked. 2 people are there whom we have not talked.
Anushka, Tejas, please talk.
Yeah, Anushka, please introduce yourself.
Sir, I'm second year student from VIIT. I am computer engineering student. Right now, I'm studying React.js.
Okay. So, what is it that you know where you can contribute? What work can you do? Do you know React very well, or are you just a beginner?
No, I'm just looking upon it, and I'm doing a particular project for it.
So what is it that you can do immediately? Where can you contribute?
And I also know PHP.
What do you know?
PHP.
PHP. Okay. So to make it easy for you, right? Let me put you in the PHP project. Who is talking on Smart Radio?
Yogesh.
Yogesh, stop
can you
talking.
put yourself on mute?
Rocky, mute him. Okay.
Okay.
So we are going to put, Anushka, I'm going to put you on PHP, and then you will understand the application. Okay. And
Yes, sir.
then we'll come up with other areas in which you can contribute. Okay. If you do learn React, then we can use some React's work. But your this thing, CJN, Continuous Job Network, on PHP, that's your project. Okay. Next person. Rocky.
Tejas. Hello, sir. Myself Tejas Mahadi. I'm from third year IT branch, and I'm interested in Android development.
1 minute, 1 minute. Anushka, I didn't get your number. What's your number?
75
75
17
17
83
83
1634.
1634. Okay. Tejas.
Yes, sir.
Your number.
9730
9730
2516
2516
19.
19. Okay. Now talk about what you want to do.
Yes. So I have interest in Android development as well as generative AI. So I have done projects on the Android development, like building the chat application. Like it has both backend and front end. So I had used technical stack like Kotlin and Ktor as well as Jetpack Compose for the designing part.
Can you show anything that you have done?
Sir, yes, sir. I have a project from the generative AI. So that project is called as just a sec. So it was based on like video recognition. So what we had to do is like analyzing the video and giving the narration to for the video. So we had leveraged the OpenAI GPT-4 vision model, and also another feature of the project was PDF query. So what the PDF query does is like giving the summary of the any question you ask about the PDF you upload on the that particular platform. So I'll show you the demo here. Currently I have the video, not the complete project. So I'll show you the video.
Great. Now, Tejas,
Yes, sir.
So we are doing a video-based job site. Like
Okay.
imagine Naukri, in which the job description is in video and resumes are in video. Okay.
All right.
And we are going to create TV shows around employment. Okay. Now, I do want to have some AI software to do video analysis. That
Okay.
when the person is talking, what is his confidence level? Okay. What is his truth level? What he has really done and what he is just bluffing, right?
Yeah.
So, how we can use AI to create scores on that, okay?
Yes.
So, go ahead, show what you are showing, but this is a project in which I would like you to work. It's called CJN, similar to CNN. It's a
Okay.
continuous job network, okay?
All right.
So, I'm putting you on that CJN project to bring in AI in there, okay?
Yes.
All right, go ahead.
Just a minute. Actually, screen share is not available, so I'll just show you the video demo.
No problem.
You can share your screen.
So this was the video.
Screen share is available, Tejas. I don't know why.
Yeah,
Right,
it's available.
right
just
now I
have
have
to-
not signed up from the laptop, so this is the way I can show.
Even from the mobile you can show.
Can I rejoin from the laptop?
Yeah.
Yes, sir. Just a minute.
But do it quickly because we have only
Yes, sir.
10
Yes,
minutes
sir.
left. Okay?
We have only 5 minutes left.
Only 5 minutes left.
And sir, just an update. We have another meeting with someone else also, with you, me, and that person. Do you want me to reschedule and for different timings? It was planned at 6. Should we go for 6:30?
What are you talking about, Rocky?
Intern chala meeting.
Acha, intern shala meeting. Yeah. Yeah, that we can, just delay it by 15 minutes. Let's finish this thing.
Okay.
This is the last one, right?
Yes.
Sir, actually, I was having one question.
What is that?
Sir, how are you guys going to contact us?
How did
Once
we
you are
come?
registered on Startup World, your all details will be with us. Your offer letter will be
Yes, sir,
generated.
I have scheduled for an interview. So, am I going to get selected through that interview, or there is also another process for?
We will
No,
remark. We will mark
right
that you
now,
have been.
right now, Ishwar, I gave you a project, right? I gave you a Python project on physician
Yes, sir.
data mining. So you are already selected, okay?
Sir, but how am I going to start on that project? Means I'm not having any data set or anything.
Arey Baba, right now we are talking to 80 people. So I can't give details of the project to 80 people.
Yes, sir.
Now,
Yes, sir. That's right.
now we will have meetings with you and other people who would want to work with you. Now, right now, Piyush is one guy that can tell you more about the project of what he has done in that data farming, okay? Or
Yes,
data
sir.
acquisition. We will come to that. Each one of you that, I think I have not rejected anybody. Everybody has pretty much told me what they are interested in doing, and I have projects for all these areas. Now, what exactly to do, we will have follow-up meetings. Okay?
Yes, sir. Okay, fine.
Just
Thank you, sir.
bear with us. Yes. And Rocky,
yes, sir.
Your this Intern person, that we will talk as soon as this is done.
Yes,
But
sir.
were you doing any TPO meeting today? Just
It is
Kishore
at
meeting?
6:10.
Okay, all right. Okay, big. Anybody else wants to show?
Share.
No, Vivek has Vivek. Yeah, Vivek we talked about, right? Dabade.
Yes, sir.
Vivek, what project did we give you?
Sir, you were speaking about some AICT student data.
Data analysis. Okay. Rocky, get him connected to Komal so that Komal can show him what AICT data we have, so we can do the data analysis on that. Okay.
Fine.
Smart cook. Okay.
Understood. I am putting my mobile number also in the chat box. Anyone can send me any WhatsApp messages once the meeting is done so that I can save your mobile numbers.
Tejas, please be quick.
Yes, sir. Hello, is it visible?
Yes, it is.
Yes,
Yeah.
yes. Just give me 1 quick minute, Tejas. Just stop for 1 minute. I'll be back in 1 minute. Okay.
Don't stop sharing, but start in 1 minute on.
Should I continue with the video?
Give 1 second. Avi sir will be back in 1 minute on.
Okay.
Yeah, I'm back. Go ahead.
Yes. So this was the video that we have uploaded, and here given is the prompt, like explain this video, and then it generated this text. This. So right now it's just for the 10-second frame because of the limitation of the GPT model.
No.
So here we had uploaded the file. This is called as Video Vision 2 TTS. So it quite like summarizes the video. And
Can you also
this also,
do this is from video to text, correct?
yes. Also, it generates the audio for the video. Like if there is some kind of product demo, like here is the headphones, and we have to generate the ad for it, and give it a voiceover. Then we can do using this project. Like here is the given video, and below that we can find the video with the like GPT's text, whatever narration we have.
How did you do this? What tools did you use?
So it used GPT for vision model. It's right now in the preview version, and also Streamlit library for this thing, like UI thing here, and also there is some functions for like getting the frames from the video and then processing them individually on the GPT model, and then got the text from the GPT model, and then here it is like done with the video.
Can you do text to video?
Text to video I didn't do.
No, can you do that?
Yeah, I can do it.
So let's talk about that. Like take your own resume, okay?
Yeah.
Now you want to describe yourself. Can this be done? Can this process be automated? That if you have a typed resume, okay?
Yes.
Can you use that to introduce yourself? Of who you are, what you are capable of doing. I call it video resume, okay? Now, either video can be created by a person recording his own self, okay, what he has done, what he is about, what's his background, and so on. Or if he has created a text resume, can we use that?
Yes, definitely.
Animate by using his own photograph, okay? If not, then some avatar. Okay? But his own photograph will be useful. Okay?
Yes. So right now I don't have the knowledge of like generating the videos, but yeah, we can surely generate image like for presenting the person. We can leverage Gemini model also,
Yeah.
and
So we'll,
of course
let's
get
do
the. What did you say, sir?
Let's do one thing. Let's do one thing, Tejas. I do
Yeah.
want to discuss this in details. I want to get another technical expert on the call.
Okay.
So we'll do that, Rocky, with Rakesh sir. We'll have a call and
sir.
we'll invite other people who are interested in this kind of field, okay? So
Okay,
that
sir.
we get more people to work on this project with Tejas. Tejas, whatever you did it yourself or you had a team?
We had a team, but mostly I have worked upon this because I have previous knowledge of this also.
Very good. No,
I have also leveraged GPT like AI in the chat application, like generating automated captions for some kind of status we upload on the WhatsApp. That I'm thinking of too. I had created a small application for it.
Okay. So we'll see.
This is.
Whatever.
Can I show another thing here?
Sure,
This
sure.
had PDF query.
Yeah.
So yes, here you can upload the PDF, and we give a question for it to give brief about particular paragraph from the PDF. So
Okay.
you just click upon the search, and then it searches and gives this result here at the bottom. So it gives the summary or like full description of the PDF, like whatever question we have asked. This PDF thing, this picture had this didn't have any limitation. We can like upload hundreds of pages of the PDF. But only thing, the limitation of the project was this video. Only 10-second frame the model could identify.
Let me ask you a question.
Yeah.
Can you create a book summary using this?
Yes. It's quite easy.
That will be an interesting project. Okay, think
yeah.
about it. Think about it, and we'll talk about that also.
Okay,
So
sir.
Rocky, let's plan follow-up meeting with these guys starting tomorrow. Now tomorrow my schedule is a little tight. Okay, so from 9 o'clock my time, which is 6:30 your time. Okay, so after 6:30, I will be tied up for almost 4 hours, Rocky. Okay, 6:30 to 10:30. And then, so 10:30 is what? So, okay. So, I can talk before 6:30
Sir,
or
I
after.
think I think we may have to talk with sir. Sir said that first they are going to be do an internal meeting in which they will collect all the details. They will send it to us. Then I believe we can plan a follow-up meeting.
No, whatever it is, you do that,
Yes,
but
yes.
just plan meeting with these guys. Okay. Anybody else? Any questions before we close?
So,
Yes, Kishore.
so I want to add a bit more about information regarding my self and mine project as well.
Sure.
So, yeah, so I was working as a member of EDC cell since 2 years, where I tried to complete as many as interesting topics which I like. That was data scraping using Python, scraping the data of means stock data and using that data to analyze and do an comparative analysis over that. After this, for the cell which I named, that is entrepreneurship development cell, I created an website using React. For that cell only, I also created an Flutter application which is currently hosted on Play Store as well. And not only that, but I do have a knowledge in RPA also, that is robotic process automation, in which also I worked on a project uh, that used RPA like automation anywhere, as well as UiPath for extracting the data from the Amazon website and recommending the means what I can say, the products for a particular topic or particular student. So that
Maybe
was this.
I'm trying to see what did I assign you. You talked about Flutter, right?
Yeah,
So
sir.
now, if you know UiPath, I would love to use your knowledge on applying UiPath to our Indian college data. Okay. So KYC, know your college. Okay, is the document that I want to create. I would love to use UiPath to create the document. So, for example, I'm talking to you guys, but I really don't know what clubs are running in your college. Who are the people running the clubs? Who are the members of those clubs? What kind of events are happening? Okay.
Yeah,
So
yes, sir.
we can use UiPath to collect this information from your website, from social media, and so on. Am I right?
Yes, sir.
Okay. So I would love to do that. And so I would want to give you this project. Okay. So again, we'll have meetings tomorrow. Now, Rocky sir says we will keep your faculty involved also. But do register yourself on Startup World so that we can give you proper assignments. Schedule your meetings with me. Okay. Now, because I'm in US, uh, in one way is good because then in the evening when you're free after your class of your college, I will be available. Okay. So my midnight, or sorry, your midnight is my 2:30 in the afternoon. Okay. So I'm available
Yeah.
as long as you are ready to burn some midnight oil. Okay.
Yeah, sir, definitely.
Okay. So we will definitely talk about these projects as early as tomorrow. All right.
Yeah, sir, definitely. Thank you,
So
sir.
I had one thing to say.
Yes, go ahead, Tejas.
My primary key of interest is Android development, and then comes the generative AI. So, there could be a way to merge those things.
Yeah.
Could there be a project having Android application and using AI also
Oh,
or something?
absolutely, 100%. Okay, just
Yeah.
stay there. Rocky, do you have a couple of minutes?
Yeah, we have good minutes. No issues in that. We have now good minutes. We can talk.
Okay. Okay, so no, are you able to see my screen?
Yes, sir.
Okay. So, look at this. Okay, this is the project that is Continuous Job Network. Okay, so there will be a TV show like this. Okay, in which there will be the TV portion will be in the middle. Okay,
Yes.
and here on the left is audience participation. Okay,
Yeah.
and in here the student is being interviewed. Right. Then here is the statistics of what's going on. Here is the advertisement bar and here is an action bar. Action bar has QR codes where the viewers can scan the QR codes and go into interview rooms. Similar to this one here. Okay. So suppose we are talking about AI ML and there are 20 companies that want to hire AI ML people. They will be having 20 interview rooms and the people will be going from here by scanning this QR code into the interview room. Now, when the person is being interviewed, this I'm showing it on TV. Now, same thing, we are going to do it on an Android tablet. Okay, and same thing we are going to do it on a Android phone. Okay, so now while these interviews are happening, talking to this person, okay, he is smiling and a confident kind of person, okay, is something that your AI should be able to tell us,
Oh, yes.
right? And
Yeah.
this will be part of the Android app, okay?
Yes.
So obviously, yes, we can combine this,
Okay, sir.
both interests of yours. All right?
Yes.
Okay, great. So anybody else? If not, then Rocky, we can close this call. Guys, thank you so much, Rocky. Really, it was a great meeting. Thank you. We picked up a lot of very smart, talented students, and we'll definitely take it further. You can share it with their faculty that I am particularly thrilled about meeting these guys, and we will talk again tomorrow. All right?
Yes, sir.
Okay, thank you.
So thank you everyone. Right now we are going to close this meeting. Definitely we will talk again. This meeting was arranged just to understand you and to understand our project that where we can put you in. When we have understood a lot of things, another meeting we will have again where we will assign you some kind of task, team members whom you can connect if you needed any help. Another meeting is for offer letters. We will generate offer letters for you, and slowly we will kick this up. Fine. Once we have any information from your DPOs, tomorrow they have told me that they will connect to me. So we will definitely update to them also that we were very happy to have you onboarded with us. So right now we are going to be close this meeting. All the best to you people. Fine. Enjoy your evening. We will definitely talk again. If anyone wants to talk to me, they can reach out to me on 83800378181. It's again 83800378181. We have already shared the Startup World meeting, Startup World registration link. So yeah, you people can join there, register there. Fine. So right now we are going to close this call. Yogesh, you will end this call for everyone. Bye team. I have a nice day.
Bye, sir. Bye.
Thanks.
Yogesh, please end the call for everyone. Yogesh, please end this call for everyone. Yogesh, please end this call for everyone.
Hello, Rock. Hello. 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 Hello, Rocky.